Hello guys, welcome to my channel and another new video. So guys, today I have many colorful of toys here, and today I will introduce with all of toys, and finally I will hand driving with one by one. So first introduce here, let's start. First one is here. This is a yellow, white and black combination mixer truck here, and this mixer truck are so nice and beautiful also. And there is the next one is here. This is RAV3 car here. RAV3 car color is red and black combination also. Next one is here. This is a animal or wild truck here. This is paste yellow and orange color with some black combination. Next one is here. This is a R17 high speed bike here, and this is fully yellow and black combination also. There is another one is here. This is a DS car. This is orange, white, silver and black combination also here. There is the next one is here. This is a police helicopter. This police helicopter color is paste color with pink color combination also. And there is the another one, and last one is a elephant car. So I will trying this elephant car also with my hand. So let's go. First one is here, this elephant car. Okay, all parked here. Okay, there is the next one is a police helicopter. So I'll trying this police helicopter. So let's go. Okay, I'll parked here besides of elephant car. There is the next one is a DS Tronton car. So I'll trying this one Tronton car with my hand. Okay, I'll parked here besides of helicopter. Okay, there is the next one is a high speed bike R17. So I'll trying this R17 bike. So let's go. Okay, I'll parked here besides of DS Tronton car. Okay, there is the another one is a animal or wild truck here. So I'll trying this animal or wild truck. So let's go. Okay, all parked here besides of R17 bus. The next one is a RAV3 car here. So I'll trying this RAV3 car with my hand. Okay, I'll parked here besides of animal or wild truck. So guys, there is the last one is a truck on vehicle. This is mixer truck under construction vehicle. So I'll trying this mixer truck under construction vehicle. I'll trying this one also with my hand. Okay, I'll parked here besides of RAV3 car here. So guys, today ending my video here, and see you soon with next time with many colorful of toys. Thank you so much.